What's up, boys and girls? The rain has just stopped, the weather is amazing, so I decided that I could take a walk and I could show you the surroundings. And beside me, in fact behind me, there is the lovely Meraputi, which is amazing for me actually, because I mean, like, isn't this amazing? You always become so much excited about this Meraputi, and today I'm just standing right beside it. Isn't that amazing? This is the most lovely feelings ever. So it's time to take a walk in the nearest area, and I will show you these areas. So let me show you the surroundings. The weather is just awesome, amazing. Right now, even at this time, usually the sun is out, but because it was raining, that is the reason right now you can come outdoor so easily. The weather won't be hot, it won't be panacea. So now it's time to explore this area. This area is, by the way, Gusti Ngurah Rai. Wow, it reminds me of that. I think I am in Bali. Yes, it reminds me of Bali, because Gusti Ngurah Rai, the first time I heard that was in Bali. So how could I forget that? That's impossible. The area, yes, sure, I will show you. There are a lot of cafes. The other day I ate actually right over there. There is a cafe, if I'm not, yeah, Pak Saidi. There, Soto Ayam Ambangan. I ate in there in Pak Saidi cafe, and the food was, of course, enak banget ya. In this side also there are itu apa, what is this, some kind of government building, or I don't know, mini mart. Bali, wow, cannot wait to visit Bali, inshallah soon. So this is like a living area. Everything is available in this area. Literally you can find anything. There are people, some they are eating, because in that area over there are a lot of cafes, different kind of cafes. You can literally find any kind of Indonesian food. Especially when I see that area, I become terribly greedy. I want to eat everything. I want to eat nasi goreng, satay, baso and everything, because I love Indonesian food. Is he selling baso? I don't think so. Because right now I'm looking for baso. I really want to eat baso. Actually, yesterday or the other day, I think I ate at my hotel in the quarantine the last time baso. It was almost 3 days before. Not 3 days, but actually 4 or 5 days before. But right now I'm really in the mood. I'm looking for baso and I want to eat. Again, it started drizzling, little rain. But I'm really enjoying this walk. I do hope you guys are enjoying. Keep always doing the support, and don't forget to subscribe also, because with your support I become more and more able to make more and more content. Maybe you can see that due to rain. Yes, this is because of the rain. Today all day it was raining. Usually Surabaya weather is hot. Today it's lovely due to the rain. Especially, of course, the greenery. The greenery is the most important thing about Indonesia. That's why I mean, the climate is good, not very hot, because of the greenery. There is nasi campur, as you can see, nasi kuning, yeah. Where is my baso? I'm still looking for baso. I want to eat a lot of baso in a big quantity. I'm really hungry for baso. Itu apotek ya. And again, food. Everywhere there are cafes. I'm wondering what are they making. Makan. Yes, masakan Indonesia. So yeah, literally in this area you can find anything. Every kind of stuff is available in here. If you are living here, you would enjoy that. Maybe you would recognize these places. A lot of cafes in this area. And unfortunately, I couldn't find baso. That is why I'm going to my room to cook something very surprising for you guys. Before I go to my room, I decided that I should rest for a while in this area. Actually, it's of course it's in my apartment and it's near the pool. So why not I show you this area as well. As you can see, this is the swimming pool. I think it's raining. It's a little bit raining, and yeah, in my background you can see there is the treadmill if you are ready for exercise. But if you are like me, then it's useless. Jangan lazy. This is the pool. I would like to swim. Actually right now I am hungry. So yeah, nanti but I just thought that I could show you the view. Maybe you guys would like that. Yeah, there, right over there, there is the treadmill. There is the swimming pool for the kids. For the naughty kids, especially those they are very young, and this is for, of course, adults. Cannot wait for swimming, as I said, perhaps later. Nanti ya. But right now, because as I said, aku lapar banget ya, so that's why better I should go to my room and I should think that what I need to cook. Let me say, it's going to be something interesting, and about this food also I am excited. I couldn't find baso, but still the food, I think I have idea, and what I am going to cook, you guys would definitely like that. Personally, I like this food also. To be honest, I like all Indonesian food, because every Indonesian food, I do believe it's lovely. The taste is just amazing, especially the sambal, it will make it more lovely. So now it's time to cook that surprising food, and for that I need to go to my room. So let's go.
Well, I hope that you know that I hear that I don't